Especially if you want to wrap your head around something, you will need dependencies and correlations. Therefore, we offer linking and colors. To add a connection, click on the card you would like to link and use the connection arrow in the toolbar. After clicking on the arrow button, just click on the second card you want to connect. This is also possible with left-clicking on a card, then using the keys Alt and Shift, and left-clicking on the second card. Because it should be easy to make a mind map with infinity maps, the first card you had clicked on is still selected after building the connection. With this you can save a one click if you want to connect many cards with the previous selected one. Incoming or outgoing connections are only visible if you mouse over a card or select one. That prevents cluttering on the canvas. If you want to see all connections all time, it's possible to use the feature Show Connections in the Settings menu at the right top of the app. In this menu, it's also possible to hide the so-called ghost cards by turning the Show Add Card buttons option off. To delete a connection, select the connection and use the trash bin of the toolbar or the delete key on your keyboard. You can also name your connection or change the color. Therefore, just pick up your connection and start typing, or select the color in the toolbar. Of course, not only connections can have different colors, but also cards. This happens very intuitive. Just select the card you want to color and simply choose a color from the toolbar by clicking on it. If you add an image to a card, in my opinion, you get really fancy maps. This works in two ways. If you have the image on your system, select the card and use the Add Image function, which you can find in the three dots menu. The second way is that you use the copy and paste functions. For example, you had searched for a picture in your browser. Then you can select the one you like and press Ctrl and C to copy the picture. Just go back to your map and create a card, then click on the body of the card and press Ctrl+V. Now the picture is inside your map. If the image don't really fit, try one of the options for different image positions in the three dots menu. It's possible to add a source or a file to your map. This works in the same way like adding an image.